Now, depending on your pack, justice can be 11 or 8. These are not necessarily pinpoints along the way, but aspects. And the justice card literally means karma. So what you put out, you get back. If you've done the right thing, then the right thing comes back to you. The justice card also means dealing with court cases. It can deal with legal matters. It can deal with documentation, what is right. In the upright position with justice, it means that a decision will go your way. With the symbolism of the justice card, again you have someone that sits in authority as if in a throne. There is a woman who wears a crown on her head. She has a cross on it. This indicates the belief systems. And this is intrinsic belief systems. She carries the scales of justice, which means that there is a consideration and a balance, right and wrong. This woman also carries a sword, so she knows when is the time to fight and when is not the time to fight. When you get a justice card in your reading, it is about legal matters or a sense of right and wrong or a sense of balancing karma. It also means that you are more likely to win in any decision that you're looking for. When we see justice reversed, it can mean that there's a delay in a decision, or it can mean that there's a miscarriage of justice. There's a possibility that it also highlights that you are being unjust. Because the justice card is about karma, be careful of what you put out. If you are not doing the right thing, then the wrong thing will come back to you.